I quit my previous agency to go all into AI, so if this ends up being a failure and a scam, GG. In this video, I'm going to be starting my own AI automation agency and documenting the process throughout the way. I will be showing literally everything that I do from my niche, offers, messages, sales calls, etc. So you guys will see all of my failures and successes. My name is Matt. Over the last few years, I've tried building multiple online businesses, and 2 years ago, I started my e-com agency, which was semi-successful, and I scaled it to about 5 figures per month. Now I quit that agency to focus on something that I want to do for the rest of my, let's say, life, 10 to 20, 30 years. I want to focus on learning and getting into AI, so this is where we at now. I know this is a massive bet, but I believe in AI 100%. In 2020, the AI market size was 50 billion and it has grown to over 200 billion today. And over the next few years, it's projected to grow to over $500 billion. I truly believe if I start learning the skills today, over the next few years is going to pay huge dividends. Now, if you're on a similar journey, definitely leave a like and hopefully we're not wrong. Now, here is our plan. Step 1 is definitely to find a niche. I've researched around YouTube multiple niche ideas that other people are targeting and what I could go into, and I came up with these 2 ideas. First one being e-com stores in general, and the second one being fitness coaches / gyms, fitness influencers, etc. Regarding e-com stores, a lot of them spend a bunch of time on customer support, so the basic offer of building chatbots using AI is going to sound appealing to them. And for the second one, which is fitness coaches, influencers, and gyms, I've come up with a pretty good idea, which I'm probably going to reveal in the next video, not today, because I'm going to be testing the offer for that right now. Now, I'll test my hypothesis on these 2 niches and we'll see whether it's a good idea or we'll need to switch niches later on. Now, the second thing that I need to figure out is definitely my offer. First, I need to learn more and understand what I can actually offer and learn to help these businesses with using AI and other automations and things on how I can use AI to actually help my target market. First one is definitely going to be chatbot creation, although that could be a little bit saturated by now. And the second one, it's also related to chatbots, but I'm going to reveal it in the next video. It's something unique and I haven't seen nobody talk about this yet. Now that we have our niche and offer, let's get started on setting up the agency. So over the last 48 hours, I've done a few things. I have gotten my domain. I also got my logo that I paid a guy on Fiverr to make. I also bought 2 extra emails on Namecheap and I set them up on instantly so that they start the warm-up process and we could get faster to the cold emailing process. I also set up my Instagram page and also set up the most time-consuming thing yet, which was my website. Because I didn't use the traditional funnel building, website building tools like ClickFunnels, etc. I used Framer, and let me tell you, that software is hella confusing. I also set up my LinkedIn profile and I will start making connections on there as well. Now let me tell you, I am a total newbie when it comes to LinkedIn. I've never used it, so it's gonna be fun for me and a fun experience to learn how the rules apply on LinkedIn and what is the culture there. So let me ask ChatGPT for some ideas. I gave ChatGPT a few examples of good, in my opinion, outreach messages so that it can look at them, analyze them, and then make similar ones. So I got a few headlines and also a 3-step email sequence for my niche, and I'm gonna save it in my Notion. I will also ask for some LinkedIn message ideas, plus maybe some cold DM ideas, but for that I think I can make them myself as well. So now I just have to start sending out the messages, start putting in the work, and putting in the volume. I'll be testing out these multiple outreach methods, and in the next video you're gonna see whether this offer is something I'm gonna continue with, or also how the messages perform. So thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.